This really is a pinch me moment. Growing up as a 13-year-old, watching the P1 be unveiled, never, ever did I think I'd get to experience one like this. And especially on this track. I'm gonna have a smile on my face for years. 13 years on from its release. Hasn't it aged wonderfully? McLaren's 903 horsepower hybrid hypercar really was quite a remarkable achievement. We forget that it was only their second car after the 12C when they made that triumphant return to road car production. Of the 375 McLaren P1s built, this is the only one from factory in satin black, and it really suits its character. Thanks to its recent service, it's able to carry on unleashing all that it's capable of, whether that's just raw, relentless pace, or perhaps slow and subdued. You can even put this car in full EV mode, but let's be realistic. Are you really going to do that when the thing does this? We really did peak as a species, didn't we? I think cars of this era will be remembered forever. That liftoff is addictive. The whole thing is addictive. It's the most scintillating experience I've ever had in a road car, and one that I will never, ever forget. I could cry. I'm in love. Absolutely in love.